Hello friends, here I have a drink that I'd like to share with you, and it's very delicious and nutritious. And for the ingredients, we have pineapple peel. So each time you buy pineapple, don't throw away the peel because they are very, very important. And I have a little turmeric root. I have ginger, and I have lemon. I have cinnamon stick, one. I have dates. I have 2 dates here. And I have some cardamom. I have some star anise. And I have 1 dry pepper. 1 dry pepper. Okay, so this is how you make it. You first of all, you throw it, you get your kettle, electric kettle or a regular kettle. You throw in your cinnamon. The hardest ingredients are the one that goes to the bottom. Throw the cinnamon down. I already washed them. Then you throw your pepper. I normally like to just break it into 2. This is dry pepper. I throw it to give it a little fire. And I put a couple of star anise. I put a couple of cardamom. This cardamom is a little minty. It gives your tea or your drink mint, something like, minty taste. Then you throw in the dates to give it a little sweet taste. Then what I normally do to my ginger, I don't slice it. I usually get like a tissue paper and I put it on, then I smash it. I just smash it like this on my tissue paper, and I throw it at the bottom as well. Same thing goes to my turmeric. Turmeric taste is very powerful. I usually, I use just a little, it's okay. Just you do the same thing, you crush it, and that's it. Then you put it at the bottom. Then the lemon also can go to the bottom. Lemon, you can just cut it in 2 and just throw the lemon inside the kettle. Then comes the last ingredient, which is the pineapple peel. You just put it down on top of all the other ingredients. This way. Yeah. Then we add water to it. 1 second. You add water to it. Add some water to it. Yeah, this is how I do it. Add water to it and I plug it. So this is it. Plug it to cool, to cook it up. Yeah, to boil it. That's it. Yeah. You can also add some cloves, some couple of cloves into it, but it's not compulsory. But if you like cloves, it's good. Just throw a couple of cloves on top of it. That's good to go. So see you when it comes out of cooking. Yes, welcome back. My tea is done. You can see it's well cooked. I cooked it for like 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes, which is perfect. Then anytime you want to drink it, you just get your little sieve and just sieve whatever you want into your cup. Sieve it into your cup. Yes. You can see the color. See how beautiful it is. With the turmeric, ginger, the pineapple peel, and the dates, especially the dates. You don't need any more sweetener. You don't need sweetener, you don't need sugar, even honey. If you just want to add some honey, you can add a little honey to it. You can drink this hot or cold. You can add some ice to it and enjoy with your family. Try this out in your kitchen. Let me know how it is. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. You can drink this hot or cold. You can add some ice to it and enjoy with your family. Try this out in your kitchen. Let me know how it is. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe.